Native plants are a really great way to attract bees and butterflies and other pollinators into your landscape. Butterfly gardens are very low maintenance. A lot of times they require less water once they're established, and it's a great way to bring insects into your garden that are beneficial for your landscape. Butterflies and other pollinators need three things to be successful in your garden. They need food, shelter, and water. When you're thinking about food, you want to know that the butterflies need food such as nectar from flowers, but you also want to supply food for the larval stage of the insect, which is the caterpillar. So just know that some of your plants will be eaten by caterpillars, so you might want to plant an extra few for the larval stage of the insect. When you're planting a butterfly garden, remember to do annuals and perennial flowers in your garden. Annuals will bloom all season, so the butterflies are more likely to find them, and then the perennials supply more of that food source that we talked about earlier. Make sure you also locate your garden in full sunlight because butterflies rely on the sun to heat their bodies. If you're interested in creating a butterfly garden in your own landscape, come to your local extension office. We have a lot of great resources like this one about creating a monarch habitat in your own landscape, and others about the different kinds of butterflies you'll see in your Kansas garden and how to attract them with their favorite plants into your landscape.